Welcome back, guys. It's the TightWad, and today I'm going to show you how to make your key work better in your locks. So sometimes your keys get stiff in your locks and you have to jiggle them back and forth and wiggle them up and down just to get them in. And then when you go to pull them out, they get stuck. So I'm going to show you something today that you can put in your locks to make them as smooth as new again. WD-40 is a lubricant that people typically have in their homes, and their first instinct is to spray this into their lock. But that is one of the worst possible things you can do. This product is more of an oil-based product, and it's going to attract dirt and grime, and over time it's going to make your lock worse than it already is. So we're going to put this to the side. Instead of WD-40, we're going to be using this dry graphite lubricant. They make it this way, and then they make it in a little powder tube. The powdered kind looks like this and can typically be found where keys are sold in hardware stores. Both types of graphite lubricant are great for locks because it's an extremely fine powder and it is dry, so it doesn't attract dust or grime and doesn't encourage buildup on your locks. To use this particular type, there's a nice applicator straw, which I'll stick right against the lock mechanism. And I'll spray the top and the bottom. Notice that it does make a mess, so you may want to have some paper towels handy. There is a liquid inside here that acts as a transporter for the graphite, but then it quickly dries. You can see it's already drying off the lock. I'm going to do the same thing in the bottom. And I'm going to let it sit there for just a minute, and then I'm going to insert my key and move it back and forth to loosen up the tumblers in the lock. Now that I've sprayed the graphite, I can put my key in and out, and you can see it goes in nice and smooth. The last thing you need to do is insert your key and make sure that it turns smoothly also. And I'll try this in both locks, and we will call these fixed and good as new. If you came to this video because your key is stuck in the lock, one thing you can try is to push on the area right around the key and pull on the key at the same time. The back of this piece right here that stores the tumblers has a stop on it. And sometimes when that stopper cap gets loose, it causes the key to get stuck. So if you push in on the cylinder and pull on the key at the same time, you can usually free your key up. Many people aren't aware that most doorknobs and locks come with a lifetime warranty. The manufacturer of your lock should be scribed somewhere on the mechanism, and you can look it up on their website to see how to make a warranty claim. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button shown on the screen now, and then click the bell so that you get the notifications whenever I post a new video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys have a great day.